Hi, good afternoon, folks. Thanks again for tuning in. We've been all morning here at Beattie Development talking about and getting ready in preparation for our home buyer workshop that we're going to have here at Beattie Development. Bradford and Royal Shell has actually put all this together, so Bradford, take it from here.
Thank you. So we're going to put on this workshop for you. It's going to let you know everything that you need to know about purchasing a home here in Southwest Florida. We've got our team of professionals. We've got our mortgage professional, our credit repair specialist, our individual that works with new construction, myself, the realtor, and we've got home inspector, we've got homeowner's insurance agent, we've got title agent, everybody that you're going to need to get the job done. So we're here to answer your questions in person. So we're looking forward to having you. And with that, I'll let Ryan talk a little bit more.
That's right, guys. We put together quite a panel for you. We want to be able to answer all of those questions that come up. We know it's hard in this day and age. You don't go out, you don't reach out to do that. It's easier if you can do it on the internet, but the internet doesn't always answer your questions. And when they do, it's not always truthful. So this is a chance to gather together to ask any of those questions that you're unsure about, anything you might not be ready for. You might think you can't buy a house at all and come to find out you actually can. So that's what this is all about. It's here to help you, whether it's the first time, second, third, if it's been a while. We want to help you get into a home. So we're all coming together, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. The seats are filling up fast.
And we're here to help you. We don't want you to lose hope. We're here to answer all your credit questions. So please come and join us Wednesday, the 26th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Hope to see you there.
Thanks again, guys. We'll see you then. Stay tuned.
Bye.